In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to share Capcut videos via shareable link. Now, the first thing you do is open up your Capcut, which you have done, and then you pick the video you want to share. But before we continue, what is shareable video link? What do we mean by that? Now, a shareable link in Capcut is a unique URL that allows you to share your video with others. It provides convenient access to your video, whether it is for collaboration, feedback, or simply sharing your work with family and friends. There are two main ways to generate a shareable link in Capcut. The first one is share for review. This method allows you to share your video with others for review and feedback. You can set the visibility of the link to either everyone or space, that means only team members. Others can view the video and leave comments and suggestions. The next one we have is to share as a presentation. This method allows you to share your video as a presentation with others. You can choose to share the video by link, embedded or email. You can also set whether to allow others to download the video or not. To share a Capcut video via shareable link, you can use one of the following methods. 1. Share as a presentation. So what do we do? Export the video. First, click on export and select share as a presentation. Choose sharing option. You can choose to share the video via link, embedded or email. Set visibility. Decide whether you want to allow others to download the video or not. Now you share the link. So you copy the generated link and share with others. Next method is sharing by Google Drive. The first step is to export your video to a file format like MP4. The first step, upload to Google Drive, and then you share the link. Otherwise, click on the video file Google Drive and select share, and then you share permissions. That means you choose who can access the link. Anyone with the link, specific people, or only you decide. Then you copy the shareable link. So you copy the generated link and share with others. Now it is important to note that the visibility settings you choose will determine who can access your video. Ensure that your video is set to visible to everyone on Capcut before sharing it as a presentation. Now, if you want more advanced sharing options and collaboration features, then you should consider using Capcut's online version. By following these steps, you can easily share your Capcut videos with others using a shareable link. Hope I will be able to explain how to share a Capcut video by shareable link. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.